I thought you were going to talk about Bert and Ernie.
Bert. It's Steve and Ed.
I know.
Okay? Get it right.
Those are the two guys that I know go together.
Laurel and Hardy.
I don't know them.
Tango and Cash.
Yep, I've seen that.
Crockett and Tubbs.
Nope, don't know their names.
Starsky and Hutch.
Yep, got those.
Come on, Steve and Ed. Good dudes. You might not have heard of them, but they're good dudes. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we just got back from the North Pole, and boy was it chilly. We just took the kids to the B&O Railroad in Baltimore because they're doing the Christmas Polar Express, and it was just such a fun experience there, but it was cold.
It was cold. So we decided to heat things up today and make something rather spicy.
Now, we made spicy foods for you before because we love heat in our food, but I don't think we've really conveyed how much spice we actually like. Until today.
So we're gonna change all that up, and today we are making hot habanero taco bowls.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious. Now that winter is knocking on the door, it is time to pull out some of those.
It's actually time to head south.
It's time to head south, yes.
Let's be honest, we're heading south.
But it's also time to pull out some of those recipes that tend to warm you up from the inside out, and that's what we're doing.
Yeah, this is gonna do just that. And if ever there's a recipe to make sure your fingers don't touch your face and your eyes.
Or your baby.
That too. This is it.
Yeah.
This is
we have a lot of things to consider now. It's like, hey, we're gonna be cutting really spicy peppers. Maybe
Maybe you cut the peppers.
Maybe I cut the peppers. All right, I'm gonna get the beef one first, and then I will cut the peppers up.
All right. Everything going into our taco bowls today is going to be on the hot side of things. So instead of our original taco seasoning today, we're using McCormick's hot spicy taco seasoning.
And of course, we're going to leave all the veins and all the seeds in because spicy is as spicy does. These are big, dude.
I mean, we said we like hot food. We didn't say we handle it well. We'll see if we cry or not.
Oh, I handle it just fine.
Oh, you get the hiccups. Who are you kidding? While Spencer's mixing in the habaneros, I'm going to cut up our tomato. All of our ingredients are almost ready, so next we're gonna put our taco bowls down on the griddle to get them crisp. So we'll just fold these, I'm just gonna work these bowls into a deeper bowl shape for us and yeah, reshape it a little bit. We got the soft taco bowls, which actually kind of look like little taco boats, but we're putting them on the griddle and just to get them a little bit crisp. Mostly they're still gonna remain soft, but the edges will crisp up in the bottom. So we're just gonna kind of rotate these around till they're ready, and then we'll make our habanero taco bowls.
Sorry.
This is what happens, folks. Like he thinks he doesn't react to heat and hot things, but he coughs, he wheezes, he hiccups.
Hey, when you breathe in habanero fumes, that's what happens. Sorry, you were saying?
So rudely interrupted. Anyways, I was saying we got the soft taco bowl boats, and we're just gonna crisp them up, and then we're gonna make our habanero taco bowls. You can see the peppers in the meat. Oh my goodness, it smells hot.
So I was coughing.
Notice who isn't coughing. Now we're just gonna dress these up a little bit. All right, we're bringing back Steve and Eddie, some hot salsa here. I don't think I'm getting anywhere here. I mean, I know I just had a baby, but this is ridiculous. All right. I'm gonna call in the muscles here. That's how it's done, folks. That's how it's done.
I don't know what the problem is. Notice that we got the Steve and Ed's hot salsa.
And a little habanero garnish.
All right,
Ready?
it's time to put our spicy money where our mouth is.
Got my water ready. These are more like boats.
Yep, little taco boats.
Little taco boats. Cheers.
Well,
Someone messy. It has really good flavor. Not feeling the heat quite yet.
yeah, it's not quite as hot as I.
Okay, well, maybe we
Expected.
didn't like get a good. Maybe we didn't put enough habanero in it. I'm feeling a little tingle.
It's good.
I would say it's actually.
And I'd say if you're not someone who's used to eating spicy food, this would be very spicy.
Okay, but this is on the mild side for a habanero.
I think the result here is that our quest will continue. This is very good. The tacos are fantastic. The flavor is great. There's lots of good different flavors in it. But it's not the punchy in the mouth spice that we were looking for. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. And let us know if you like spicy stuff too. It's kind of one of those things that some people are totally against it, some people are all for it. So let us know in the comments below if you are a fan of the spice. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the awesome videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Betty, Todd, Bruce, CJ, Nate, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.